right, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, y'all. We settling in with isograms, a Python exercise from Codewars. Same routine, y'all. Okay. An isogram is a word that has no repeating letters, consecutive or non-consecutive. Implement a function that determines whether a string that contains only letters is an isogram. Assume the empty string is an isogram. Ignore letter case. I had never heard of an isogram before seeing this on Codewars, but I guess this is what an isogram is. Okay, no repeating letters in the word. So looking at these examples, whatever this word is, it has no repeating letters. And yeah, this function that is going to be created is going to return true or false, depending on if it is an isogram or is not. Of course, if it is not an isogram, it is going to contain repeating letters. And you're going to ignore case. That's important. So ABA, it is not an isogram because it's got two A's in it. Moose is also not an isogram. You ignore letter case and it's got two O's in it. Oh, let's go O's. All right, this one should actually be pretty short and simple. Just gonna determine if the word, the string, contains any repeating letters, any duplication. That is it. That is all. So let's get in here and tackle it. So whenever I think duplication, I think about the data type of the set, because when you convert a string or a list to a set, it'll remove duplication. And I'm going to use a set in this exercise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the string to a set, and then I'm going to compare the length of the set to the length of the original string. If they're the same, then it is an isogram because it would contain no duplicates. If they are different, it means the set has gotten rid of the duplicates and they are not the same, thus the original string is not an isogram. So I'm going to convert this to a set. I'm going to convert the original string to a set, I should say. And I'm going to convert the string to lowercase first to ignore case. Then I'm going to convert it to a list, then to a set. It works easier this way. But essentially, I'm taking it through all of this to convert the string to a set, and the set will remove duplication. What I will do next is I'm going to create a Boolean expression to compare the length of the set to the length of the original string. Again, if they have the same length, it means that no duplicates were removed and it is an isogram. If they differ in length, then this is not an isogram because the set operation or the conversion to a set removed duplication. And quite handily, I can use really a one-liner to do this. I can just put the Boolean expression to compare the two lengths in my return statement, and that will be a reflection of if it is an isogram or not. So I just get my length of the set, and then the length of the original string, and see what the outcome is. I just return the outcome because, as I said, the outcome of this Boolean expression really determines if the string is an isogram or not. And this is handy shorthand that you can use in programming, where if you have a Boolean expression that returns true or false, well, actually all Boolean expressions return true or false, but if if you have an expression that returns true or false, and your function returns true or false, and your expression completely ties into the truth or falseness of the function, you can simply return the expression. Getting a little jumbled up there, folks. It's still early. But that passes, and go for the attempt. This passes as well. Alrighty, folks. There you are with isograms from Codewars in Python. Keep it Pythonic, y'all. And with that, I'm good, you're good, and I am out of here.